It's Vlogmas day 12, and I know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see me clean this kitchen. I'm gonna scrub a dub these dishes, and I'm getting it. Gotta get rid of it all. I can't believe I'm in here cleaning this by myself. Trey should see this. This how you clean up the house whenever you know your man's getting ready to get home and he ain't do shit all day. You just been in your pajamas in the bed. You just gotta hurry up. Get it clean. Ain't that right, son? I'm gonna do this drawer even though when it shuts, it's all gonna go everywhere. Wow.
Okay, so I did the dishes.
I did a good job.
It's nothing like having no dishes in your sink. And I cleared off this table, the dining table, because we had gotten all that furniture and kitchen supplies and stuff. So I took pictures of things that I wanted to sell. But we got a lot of good items from my husband's coworker's house, like these new cups and stuff to drink out of, some mason jars, so super cute ones. I'm keeping 4 of them, and then the 2 big ones I'm keeping. We even got a magic bullet, so that's cool. And I think I showed the other day the wine glasses and stuff, but I need to clean this. And I might sell this too. So I've been selling stuff on Facebook Market, and yeah, so I've been selling stuff on Facebook Market, and I put a toaster on there, and y'all, no joke, I got like 10 people hit me up about a toaster. I sold it for $5, but I was like, dang, I should have sold it for like 20, and they were like piranhas, you know, trying to get this toaster. But yeah, I put all the items like in a corner away from, like, you know, I took it off the dining table because I want to be able to eat, sit down with my family and stuff. And Trevel's birthday's coming up, Christmas, and I just want to enjoy the centerpiece and all that stuff that we have on the table. And I have this microwave too that hopefully someone will buy for me, because I want my house to be more clean, and just want to get rid of stuff. Even though we added to it, I want to get rid of stuff. So hopefully that makes sense. But let me sit down. But how are you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing great. I'm looking crazy. I'm on, what is this, day 3 hair. I need to put product in it and stuff, but this is what my hair is looking. I did have it in a bun earlier today, but y'all, every time I put a bun in my hair, that stuff be hurting. Like, does that happen to you guys where you have your hair up and it just feels tender? It could be because I'm tender-headed and stuff, but anyways. So yeah, I just need to keep on cleaning. Hopefully more people will buy stuff, make a little bit of extra change, you know, make some money off of these items and stuff. I guess y'all want to be on camera, huh? Let's go see what they want. Can never have 2 seconds to myself. You look miserable. Move, Benji. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Say hey, y'all, back with another one.
Is that how I sound?
No.
Okay, how do I sound? Do my intro for me.
I'm trying to think.
It's Vlogmas Day.
Hey, y'all. I got a curl sticking out the side of my head.
Okay, anyways, it's Vlogmas Day. What's today's date? The 12th? Okay, so it's Vlogmas Day 12. So say that.
It's Vlogmas Day 12.
My outro?
Okay, guys, if you enjoyed, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you back with another one.
Bye.